Welcome back to Mr. Scott Maths. In this video we're going to look at how we can calculate with column vectors. So in this first example we are adding these two column vectors together. And to add together two column vectors we simply add together the x values and add together the y values. So in this case we do 8 add 12 which gives us 20. And then we do 11 add -3 which gives us 8. So our answer when we add these two column vectors together is a new column vector, 28. We can also multiply our column vectors by a scalar. So in this case, we multiply this 7 by everything that's inside this column vector. We do 7 multiplied by 3, which is 21. We then do 7 multiplied by -4, which is -28. So our new column vector is 21, -28. We can then combine both of these skills to complete a question like this one, where we first need to multiply our two column vectors by these scalars. For the first column vector, we do 6 times 2, which is 12, and 6 times 5, which is 30. And then for our second vector, 4 times -6 is -24, and 4 times 8 is 32. We are now adding these two vectors together. So we do 12 add -24, which gives us -12. We then do 30 add 32, which gives us 62.